Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I went with a smoky brown look. I'm keeping it a little neutral today with this peach top and semi-nude lip. So stay tuned, hope you enjoy this video, and leave any comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. I started off with a quick contour, and now we're gonna go in and put some concealer on the eyes. This white concealer is by ColourPop. It's their no filter concealer in the shade Fair 00. Today's palette, I use the Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral palette and the Chocolates palette. For my base, I'm going to go in with the deepest brown shade that they have in the palette and their deepest brown shimmer shade. It's best to pat and press in the eyeshadow shade so that there are no creases. Next, I'm going in with the nude shade on the Chocolates palette to highlight under my brow. I'm going back in with that deep brown shade on the base to blend these two together. I'm using the brown shimmer shade to do the inner corners of my lid. I'm adding the gold shimmer shade from the Chocolates palette on top of that brown shimmer shade to brighten it up a little bit. When doing a smoky eye, you always want to go back in with those deeper shades to blend out into the corners, and that then gives it that smoky effect. I'm using that same deep brown shade to do my under eye as well. I'm going in with the silver shade for the inner corners of my eyes. It's time for some eyeliner, and honestly I'm not sure the name of this brand, but it is a felt tip black eyeliner. Those are my go-to before I started getting into liquid liners. For mascara, I'm going in with Tarte Light Camera Lashes. I'm using my Divinity lashes from shop I Am Goddess, and I will link that below if y'all are interested. For today's lips, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place lipstick in Toffee, their lip gloss in Caramel Rose, and the liner in Kola. Funny story, years ago I hated the color brown in almost everything. I hated brown shoes, brown clothing, brown lips, and finally I started getting into makeup and I realized, you know what? Brown's essential for almost every look that we do. Toffee is a very nude lip color, so if you wear it by itself, it probably isn't the best shade for a darker skin tone, but when you combine it with a brown liner, this is the result that you get. For today's highlighter, we're going to go in with the Heroine by Juvia's Loose Highlighter. This highlighter is a lighter, it's not as deep Gritchen Gold. It's like a lighter pinkish yellow gold. So it's perfect for this nude brown look that we're going for. If you know me well, you know I love to highlight my nose, my forehead, under my eyebrows, my cupid's bow, my chin. Like I highlight everywhere because, well, I love to glow. And this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a lot, it was a little, I've never done like a brown smoky eye before. So I think it came out pretty good. And this nude lip, just want to keep it more natural today. Going on another road trip. It's been road trips the last 2.5 weeks now, which I don't mind. Time away from, you know, the city is really nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave any comments down below, any suggestions for next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.